Starting a balcony garden for edibles is something that can be easily achieved. In this video, let's look at some of the important factors to consider before setting up a garden in your balcony. Firstly, determine the amount of sunlight your balcony gets. You can do a simple light test by placing your hand about 5 to 10 centimeters above a piece of white paper and look at the shadow that is cast on the paper. If the shadow is dark and distinct, it means that the area receives full and direct sunlight. In contrast, if the shadow is lighter in color and blur, you'll know that the area receives filtered sunlight. Next, let's look at what kind of edibles can be grown under different light conditions. At least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight is required for flowering ornamental plants and edibles such as fruited vegetables and culinary herbs. These plants are longer lasting and may be harvested once every few weeks. Leafy vegetables such as kailan and naipai will need 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. They can be harvested around 30 to 40 days after sowing. You may build a simple netted structure over the vegetables to shield them from heavy rains or strong winds. Consider placing shade-loving edibles and ornamental foliage plants under the shade of larger and taller plants in your balcony. In high-rise balconies, strong winds may cause soil to dry out quickly and leaves to turn brown and tear. On the other hand, poor air circulation can cause the leaf to rot or encourage the growth of mold. Different plants require different amount of space. Using pots of different sizes can help to enhance the visual appeal of your balcony garden. In tight spaces, you can go for small pots of herbs and leafy vegetables, such as mint, basil, and naipai. But if you have enough room, you can maximize space by growing bigger plants such as pomegranate and chakumanis. To maximize your balcony space and ensure that your edibles get sufficient sunlight, you can place pots or troughs on hanging structures. Make sure these structures are tied securely to the railings or walls of your balcony. Placing plants on tiered structures can also help to lift the pots off the ground for a neat appearance, allowing ventilation between plants and easy maintenance. If you are more adventurous, you can plant a balcony garden based on different themes and add in decorative ornaments that will accentuate the theme you have chosen. Now that you have seen how you can grow your own edibles in a balcony garden, we can't wait to see you get started.